Kajabi 3 months for $99. So as you can tell by today's video title, Kajabi is doing a massive new discount. All you have to do to get this Kajabi discount is just click the top link down below in the video description and you'll come to a page that looks something like this. And you'll also get some free bonuses just for buying through the special link down below from my affiliate link down below, which also helps support the channel so we can create free videos and more tutorials for you. So first and most importantly, this is basically the deal right here, because like essentially you're getting the special like plan right here, like the pro level plan basically. So instead of like paying like over $1,000 US, you basically get like this plan, the special plan right here, for $99 for 3 months, which is absolutely insane. And they're going to be having this promotion for a little while now. As you can see, it's base deals pretty much like better than a 30-day free trial or 30-day trial, because you're getting the pro plan and saving like over $1,000, which is absolutely insane. So again, if you want to get this deal while it's still available, just click the top link down below in the video description, and I will be updating the link down below if there are like any new deals as well. Now I also want to quickly mention my bonuses, because I see a lot of people offering bonuses, but essentially like pretty much what they do, and I'm not judging anyone here by the way, like for the most part, like people that like make videos on Kajabi, they just pretty much like make a living off like promoting Kajabi, or just selling their courses or teaching you how to make money online, and that's all they know how to do, right? But with me, I actually do affiliate marketing full time, and I've also dabbled in courses as well, so I'm well invested in that as well. But I've done multiple different things, and I essentially what I'm going to be offering you with my bonus is essentially how you can get traffic on YouTube and get pretty much monetize whatever you want to monetize with traffic. So pretty much like a bit of a background on who I am, because I know I'm just like a voice behind the computer pretty much. My name's Sen, and I essentially have been doing YouTube for a long time, and as you can see in this screenshot right here, I've been doing getting hundreds of thousands of views, millions of views. Like this is basically 100,000 views in like 60 minutes. Like this is like how the YouTube analytics used to look like back in the day, like like 2015, 2016, and this was like 2018, 2019, like getting like over 180,000 views in like 60 minutes, which is absolutely crazy. So every bar like basically is like 100,000. This probably would have been like 60,000 views in an hour right here, and then right here would have been like 180,000 views in 60 minutes in an hour, at the peak of this video going viral. And also as a result, I've been able to get like 4 silver play buttons. That's me right here on screen. Basically like an old picture. And then here's me pretty much. You can see right here. These are my play buttons right here. So these are the silver play buttons, and I'm gonna blur out the actual name on the actual play buttons because I don't want my personal name being exposed to the public right now. Maybe I will in the future, but I just want to keep that personal. Yeah, with my silver play buttons, I've got the original silver play button, which is like the OG one, and then obviously the newer ones, which is cool. So again, the reason why I'm sharing this with you is to pretty much like show you that I know what I'm doing. When it comes to YouTube, there's very few people that have the level of knowledge and experience that I do, because I've been doing YouTube for like over a decade, making money off ad revenue and promoting various different affiliate programs. And of course, my bonus is basically reflective of that. So if you want to promote like recurring affiliate programs that pay recurring commissions, I've got like a whole list of those right here, which I'll give away as a bonus if you sign up through my Kajabi affiliate link. I also show you how you can create high quality videos, a little to no work. Google ranking secrets, so if you want to rank for different keywords, I'll pretty much like I'll give you like a bonus that goes over like the basics regarding that. And of course how you can rank your YouTube videos. As you can see, for example, if you search up Kajabi, my videos on top of the search right here. I'm on Imminent HD, as you can see right here. I'm also in the third position as well at the moment. So pretty much, as you can see, I'm on top of the search. I know what I'm doing, and as a result of me on top of the search, I've got some subscribers as well on my channel, but like we're also getting like a lot of views from the search as well, which is absolutely amazing. And as you can see, my video's gotten a lot of views, which is I'm very happy. So yeah, pretty much my bonuses, pretty much as you can see, these are the bonuses right here, and all you have to do is just go through the link down below and sign up through my link. And yeah, so on top of like most importantly getting this like special deal, you get all my bonuses 100% for free. And just by going from my affiliate link, and yeah, just wanted to make a quick video going over this new special offer so you don't actually miss out, and so you don't miss out on my bonuses. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching today's Kajabi 3 months for $99 and Kajabi discount tutorial video. Cheers.